How's it going, guys? It's Jason from Vape Brothers again, and today we are doing a first impressions, as you can see in the title, for the OBS Tank. Now, I've been looking for a new tank because I love my Cloud Beast and everything, but I want a new one, so I got a new one. Thus far it looks pretty cool, but you can't really judge a book by its cover, so we're gonna go up close and personal so that we can show you what's inside here and so I can unbox it. Also, just to preface before, this is the mod that I'm gonna be using, which is really fucking beat up, but if you can't tell what it is, it's really grimy too. This is my RX300 by J-Bone Wismec, so this is one of my favorite ones, and I do have another mod on the way, but that is for another video. Let's go up and close and personal, unbox this sucker. Okay, so here is the OBS Tank. Now, it looks very beautiful from the outside, like I said, up top, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it, so let's see, I need a knife. Alright, let's see. Sure you know, damage the box. There we go. Okay, so come on, get off, maybe. I did not cut into that at all. Okay, I cut into it a little bit. Ooh. Get away, go away. Okay, go away. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay, ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, I forgot I got the rainbow one. So the OBS tank, as far as I know, I think it, oh crap, I have all sorts of shit on my desk. Okay, as far as I know, this has a 5 something milliliter tank. I can't remember what the ohms of resistance is. It looks like 0.15. So it has the hardest or the hottest coil that you can put in there. It has these little silica beads to wick away moisture. Fuck those. It has the extra replacement tank, so that's really nice. Okay, I'm gonna just set you, you know what, we'll just set you back where you belong. How about that? And then let's see if there's any other things in here. There has to be some stuff. I know that there's other stuff. Aha. Okay, put you right there. Oh, whoa, you guys can't see that, but got a little booklet on how to use it. It's a tank, screw it in, puff away, F that. And here, ooh, I mean, okay, so this is an extra coil, another coil. I can't remember what these two are specifically, but what are you? Oh, come here, my love. Yeah. Oh my god, that's a drip tip. A ridiculous fucking drip. I'm gonna use that. Totally gonna use that. Hell yeah. Alright, so let's just go ahead and grab this. Put this old drip tip aside somewhere. Let's put and throw you right on. Oh. I mean, it looks a little ridiculous, but I'll work with it. Okay, so let's see. How do you get it off? Okay. Oh, that's to unscrew everything. I wanted to know how to fill it. You got your airflow. Airflow's not too bad. Is it like a press fit? Is it what? Oh my god, there it is. Okay. So it looks like it, that's the fill port, by the way. So you just simply lift it up, which I can see, it's a nice fit, but honestly I can see problems with this. Like, you know, it's jostling around in your pocket and all of a sudden it's just, whoa, it's open just a tad, and you know, I mean, I don't know. I can see problems with it, but it could not have any problems. So let's just go ahead and set that right there. My favorite juice, which is Air Factory Blue Raspberry. And then anywhere? Ooh, anywhere. Ooh, fill it up, fill it up. A little bit more. Okay. That looks about full. Alright, so pretty much that's about it to show for this. So it's nice and filled. I'm going to let this sit for like a little bit, and then we're going to go up top. Okay, this is a little ridiculous, honestly, but, you know, I haven't taken a puff on it, so here we go. Hell yeah, that's nice. Hold on. baby. The drip tip is what makes it for me. The drip tip is fucking hilarious. The colors looks awesome, but I mean, a lot of you, some of you are probably going to be commenting saying that, hey, why don't you do a review on the RX 300? I don't need to. I like it. Everybody likes it. It's J-Bo and Wismec. What is there to review, really? J-Bo and Wismec make awesome fucking products all the time. So, yeah, this is, like, I don't have to do nothing. This is a grand dam of my collection. It has been for about a year and a half. That's why it's so marred up. It originally came with some stuff on it, but we're talking about the OBS here. Anyway, thus far, a really good flavor. It's tasting exactly how it's supposed to taste. Always get a little scared when they have these tiny little air holes on there, but no fear, no worries. This thing is performing what it's supposed to be. So I'm going to getting really vapey in here already. Anyways, I am going to look at this a little bit more in depth, find out what the problems are, how long coils last. By the way, price point, I think if I remember correctly, this OBS tank was about 24 bucks. Also, I'm going to have another video either this week or later next week about my conundrums that I usually have when I walk into a vape shop. But other than that, I love the rainbow. The rainbow's looking really good. I love the OBS. The fill tank may cause some oh, it's on the backside. But that's just mod to mod. The fill port changes. Also, I'm a little sweaty because it's hot, obviously. But yeah, the fill port changes from mod to mod. I'm really digging this rainbow, actually, this gas slick. Real oil slick, but yeah, let's just give it one more puff. So far it is a little loud, but that's because small airflow holes always make it loud. It's like a nice little, you know, it's really loud. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spend some time with this, get to know it a little better. Next week it might be a double release. So just so you guys know, I'm planning, when I'm doing this, I'm planning on releasing a video a week. That's about what I can really do, especially because I'm going to be coming into a new job. With this new job, I'm not going to be here all that often, and I'm really only going to be home once a week anyway, maybe even twice a week, but that's about it. But I will spend some time with this before I give you a full review. But this is just the first impressions. Let me go ahead and list everything that's in here, because I didn't do that and I was being an idiot not doing that. Okay, so this tank includes the tank, obviously, spare thing of glass, a super long drip tip, which I put on, a 1V4 OOC coil, which I have no idea, a V8 coil, and a V12. So, which one do I got? I think I might have the V4, which everybody, like, wants to go with engines with coils nowadays. Oh, it's right on the plastic. Yeah, I have the V4 in here. So, I have 2 more coils to go through. Obviously, the V12 is probably 6 coils doubled up, and the V8 is probably 4 coils doubled up, and then the one that I got in there is 4 coils just straight. But I'm going to put all this back together, put the little book in there. But it's a really nice, so far, it's really nice vaping. It's super cool. I keep bumping crap. Well, putting things away. But anyways, there. Perfect. Okay. I also have another mod that you can kind of see. Well, no, that's the drip tip, but I have another mod. I have a mod review coming up because this thing is nice, but I want to upgrade to something else. And it's going to be another 4-cell because this has 4 cells in it. It has 4 18650s in it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, and coming back and watching my videos. On my left here is going to be something that YouTube thinks that you want to watch. On my right, there's a subscription. Also notice that I did update the channel art and the profile picture. I know they're exactly the same, but now it matches the title screen. It's not this old, worn out title, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, thank you guys so much. I hope all of you are having a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video.